Internet. Do you remember my Getting High on Mountain series? You probably don't. And no, I don't mean that I smoke. I'm talking about the highest mountains in every state, and eventually Canada, Mexico, but I'm in Colorado now, and I let this fall off a little bit, but I'm about to tackle the highest in this state, which is also the highest in the Rockies, which is also the highest in the lower 48. I have not tackled a 14er yet. Why not start off with the highest one? So let's go ahead and head up Mount Elbert's trail. Now this is going to take a while. Bring water. You're going to need it. Can't camp, no fires, but we can have a good time. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm getting here at 9 in the morning. It is my birthday. I am now 36 years old. Still as beautiful as ever, but the parking lot is almost full. So just, find a spot. You'll make it. There are bathrooms at the bottom. Like I said, bring water, bring snacks. You're gonna need some energy. I'm estimating 8 to 9 hours up and down. So prepare, folks, prepare. Alright, looks like we're crossing the Colorado Trail, the Continental Divide Trail. Got some camper action down there. But we're gonna come here. This nice little wood sign's directing us this way towards what sounds like quite a bit of water. And I am quite a fan of water. Okay. A little crossing. Not a lot of water. It's just loud water. Nothing wrong with that. We'll probably be running down from the mountaintop. I do expect to see a bit of snow. I'm sure it hasn't melted all off yet. And I do expect it to be a little chilly. So I brought a beanie and a jacket. You might want to as well. Now a lot of you might be wondering, how do you enjoy a hike while you're shooting a video? It can be difficult, but here's the key. When I shoot a quick little snippet, I'm usually stopping and taking it in myself so that I enjoy it. But with these up and back trails, you're gonna pass the same areas again. So as I'm recording, I'm making mental notes where I want to stop, and that'll often be when I am snapping a quick picture, because right now my phone is right here. That's kind of my monitor, so I can't be snapping pictures on the way up. So you just make a mental note where you want to stop on your way down. If it's not an out and back, you just have to make longer stops. All right, just had a couple trail runners pass me. That was pretty cool. They went down this trail though. They went down Colorado Trail number 1776. But I like how they definitely marked this really well. You're not gonna get lost. Mount Elbert. That's where we're going. What a beautiful name. Yeah, it flattened out. You climb a lot. At first you're gonna have a lot of switchbacks. Right now it's kind of flattened out. I do have a fly or a hornet or something. He's kind of been tagging with me the whole time, doing circles. Hopefully he gets tired out, because I'm pretty sure it's the same one that's been following me for about half a mile. But that's nature, man. Ooh, he just tried to go in my mouth. I am still chugging along, but I thought that tree looked pretty cool. If the video does not turn out as crisp and beautiful as it could be, it's because I'm still trying to learn how to use this camera. If you know anything about making videos,
1 hour, 30 minutes.
Go ahead, lady.
5 miles. Average pace 41 minutes 43
What you're hearing
per mile
is my Run Keeper app. I like to track elevation, time, all that, so I know how long it takes for a guy like me with a camera with a heavy backpack to make it up there, and you know too. You should be able to beat my time. But anyway, yeah, I'm just messing with the video settings. To me, it kind of looks pixelated. It might just be it sending it to my phone. It looks a little pixelated that way, but either way, I'm documenting it. And hopefully, it's pretty sweet. And it looks like we're finally making it. Some of the first really good views. It's opening up a little. Give me kind of an idea how high up I am. We got a peak over here. A little bit of snow. Got a mountain over there. It's beautiful though. Quite a lot of flies. I think there was a recommendation to bring your bug spray, but I don't like putting stuff on me unless I have to. Don't think I've been bit yet, so doing good. And I knew I should have kept my camera on. So now it's starting to open up a lot. It's beautiful. You can really see the landscape as we keep climbing. This kind of makes me feel like I put in quite a bit of elevation gain so far, because it's starting to get a little more sparse with the vegetation. I think I'm just estimating. Oh, those are pretty flowers. Where are you at? Oh, I'm blocking them. They're pretty. But I think once you get like 10,000, 11,000 feet up, trees don't really grow too well up there. You might get some bushes of different things, but you can already see it's pretty sparse up there. And I'm standing in a bit of a wooded area with mountains all around. If you've never been to Leadville, it's a small town. They have a pretty popular, I want to say 100-mile race there. But man, pretty cool vibe. I ate at, what was it? I think it was the Tree Line Kitchen. It's pretty good food. But yeah, it's such a cool town. It's like surrounded in mountains. Ooh, you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but I can see a lake way out there. Dang. Okay. Let's keep going. I have a feeling I'll be turning around to catch this view quite a few more times. You're just surrounded. And eventually, we'll be above it all. And it might just be the best view I've had in this state. I don't know. The trail's starting to get a little more sparse. Coming across a tiny, tiny bit of snow. I think we're getting close. Starting to see more people. And usually when there's a bigger grouping of people, there's some good stuff to see. Like that. Right there. You have got to see this view. And I'm not talking about what you're seeing right now. I'm talking about you gotta come out here and see this view. It is tough. It's not like, it's actually one of the easier 14ers in the state. And I'm about 3 miles in. But, I mean, seeing it on a video, it's never going to be the same. I'm not showing you everything I see. You gotta come out here and see it yourself. Okay, so it gets a bit more windy up here as is expected, but I haven't put the beanie on yet. It's a little more chilly as my sweat evaporates off me, but what you're looking at is the first fall summit, I guess. I think I'm sitting at around 3.5 miles up. I'll tell you what, the view, it does not get any worse. Making some gains though. I'll probably end up stopping up at that fall summit. Okay, I think I've figured a little bit out on the camera. The focus might have been stuck, but taking a break. Very winded. I think I am about 4 miles in. I probably got about an hour left, maybe, before I hit the summit. Right behind me is the fall summit. I don't know how much farther past that until you get to the actual summit. I guess there's more than one fall summit. I'm gonna eat a little bit, drink a little bit, put on my beanie. It's getting cold. Yeah, and I'm hoping, because I just hit this little feature on my camera, I'm hoping like I can make the rest of it usable. I don't know, some of it looked pretty blurry. I don't know. I guess if that happens, I know to tap the focus feature. So if it's crappy, the first half, either I don't upload that part, or I don't do an instrumental where it's just the nature. I can cut it down, but I'm enjoying the view. Why don't you take it in a little more too? I like this part the most. Bunch of lakes. Just to give you guys a little glimpse of what it'll be like. You're not going to be alone. I had somebody sing happy birthday to me with him and his kids, and the dude in the oranges. I win for you. That dude in the orange is part of that party, the birthday party. But it's beautiful up here, and I still haven't made it to the fall summit yet. It is up there. I'm getting closer. Baby steps. Okay, this is that first fall summit. I don't know if there is more than one, but this is that fall summit I was just peeking at, and I gotta say, I'm enjoying the view. I think I'm getting a little raspy too. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I totally just walked down the trail a little bit just so I could get you this mountainous reveal here. Look at that. You would not even expect that. Well, maybe you would. I don't know you. Look. It just don't stop. Whew. And I guess I've got quite a bit of rocky climb to go. Not too much in distance. I just got to come up here, up that little ridge, and once I get there, somebody told me it was like 50 yards to the actual summit. How you like me now? I hope you still like me. I just saw a giant marmot. Looks like a groundhog, and they love the altitude for some reason. Whew, I don't know if he's gonna poke his head out again. I'm gonna record just in case. What the heck is that? Looks like a little windbreak circle of rocks. Ew, guys, look. Ew, ugly. Ew. Okay, there's the marmot right there. Probably not the same one. You might not be able to see it till he runs away. I can see him on the screen. Go slow. It's a dark brown blobby blob. Sneak up on him ever so gracefully. Let me help you adjust a little bit. You see him? Isn't he majestic? He don't even care. See. They don't seem to care up here. Alright, this is it, folks. This is the top, and I didn't even realize I was at the top because there's so many false summits. But it is quite a view. And this guy right here is hiking from Mexico all the way to Canada. Not quite halfway there yet. Beautiful. And we have mountain bikers up here. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm not that cool. I'm gonna go head down. It's getting windy. And my nose is running. And I gotta go back to Colorado Springs because I work tomorrow. And I want to eat a nice dinner. So, hope you had a fun video watching. This was interesting for sure. And hey, I'm 36 years old now. I'm on the top of a mountain. I just ate some ribs. How you love that?